Today we will start topic number 4 of grammar, the pronoun. All of you know what is mean by pronoun. The word which replaces the noun or the word which is used in place of noun is said as pronoun. Today we will study in detail how many types of pronouns are there. Pronouns. Topic number 4, the pronoun. Now, all of you know the what is mean by pronoun. Now we will study in detail types of pronoun or kinds of pronoun depending upon their use and form. According to the use of the pronoun and the form of the pronouns are classified into 7 types. Number 1, personal pronouns. Second, reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns. Number 3, relative pronouns. Number 4, interrogative pronouns. Number 5, demonstrative pronouns. 6, indefinite pronouns. And 7, distributive pronouns. Now, at first we will study about the first type of the pronoun. It is personal pronoun. It is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. A personal pronoun describes a particular person, thing or a group. Personal pronouns is used for particular person, thing or a group. It stands for 3 pronouns. It stands for 3 pronouns. First, pronouns which are used for first person. What is meant by first person? Who is speaking? He. That is said as first person. I am teaching. In this sentence, I is the pronoun. It is used for the first person. We are learning. We is also a first pronoun. Second person, to whom we are speaking, that is the second person. For second person, which pronouns are used? You. Third person, the third person, about which person we are talking, it is the third person. Means the pronouns which are used for persons and things or group, they are said as personal pronouns. Which are the personal pronouns? I, we, you, she, it, they, and my, mine, you, yours. It is the possessive case of the pronouns. And according to the use of the pronouns are sometimes they are used as a subject, they are said as subjective pronouns. Sometimes they are used to show the possession, they are said as possessive pronouns. Sometimes the pronouns are used as an object in the sentence, that are said as objective pronouns. Now tell me the examples of the personal pronouns. I, we, you, they, it, my, mine, us, ours, its. These are the examples of personal pronoun. The second type of pronoun is reflexive pronouns or emphatic pronouns. Second type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun or reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronouns, reflective pronouns and emphatic pronouns. All of you know what is meant by reflection. Reflex means to come back, to focus on the same thing. It is the reflection. When we stand, the best example of reflection, that when we stand in front of mirror, the rays reflects on the face and we can see our image. Then do you know what is meant by reflection? Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject's action affects the subject itself. The subject may be a noun or a pronoun. मतलब जब कोई एक्शन और एक्शन करने वाले पर ही रिफ्लेक्ट होती है या उसी पर ही उसी का अफेक्ट होता है, तो उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? दैट प्रोनाउंस आर सेड एज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. द कैट इज licking itself. The cat is licking itself. He is blaming himself. वो खुद को ही क्या कर रहा है? ब्लेम कर रहा है. The cat is licking itself. I saw myself in the mirror. मैंने खुद को मिरर में देखा. Why do you blame yourself? तू खुद को ही क्यों ब्लेम कर रहा है? She hurt herself while cutting vegetables. उसने खुद को ही कट कर दिया. मतलब उसकी जो कुछ एक्शन है वो एक्शन जब एक्शन करने वाले पर ही रिफ्लेक्स होती है या अफेक्ट होती है, तो उसी के लिए जो प्रोनाउंस यूज किए जाते हैं उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. बिकॉज दे रिफ्लेक्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. जो प्रोनाउंस सब्जेक्ट पर ही अफेक्ट करते हैं, रिफ्लेक्स होते हैं, उसी को कहा जाता है रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. नाउ सी, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस एंड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस, दे आर सेम. वो दिखने में सेम है, स्पेलिंग सेम होता है. देन हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन एंड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन? तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन, ये दोनों को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है? तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस दे affect to the subject. They affect to subject. मतलब जो भी कोई एक्शन करने वाला है वो एक्शन करने वाले पर ही वो अफेक्ट होते हैं, उसी पर ही रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं. और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस, दे प्रोनाउंस दे एम्फेसाइज द इंसिडेंट, दे एम्फेसाइज द antecedent. The antecedent. What is mean by antecedent? Antecedent मतलब past history. पहले कुछ किया हुआ है वो ही फिर से वो दोहराए. I posted the letter myself. देखो, मैंने खुद ने ही वो लेटर पोस्ट किया है. The story is written by themselves. The story is written by themselves. मतलब जो कोई पास्ट में जो कुछ काम किया गया है वो मैंने ही किया है, उन्होंने ही किया है, उसी पर जोर लगाने के लिए, उसको एम्फासाइज करने के लिए ये जो कुछ पास्ट हिस्ट्री है वो पास्ट हिस्ट्री पर फिर से एम्फासाइज करने के लिए जो प्रोनाउंस यूज किए जाते हैं उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस. एंड रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस और एम्फेसाइज प्रोनाउन में क्या, दोनों में क्या फर्क है? तो ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में जो कुछ एक्शन होती है वो एक्शन का असर वो एक्शन करने वाले पर ही होता है. और एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउंस और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस उसमें क्या होता है? जो एक्शन की गई है, व्हाट द पास्ट हिस्ट्री, द पास्ट वर्क, दैट पास्ट एक्शन इज डिड बाय देमसेल्व्स, हिमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ, वो बताने के लिए वो यूज किए जाते हैं. Which are the examples of these pronouns? Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. These are the examples of reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. Now, if the word is same, if the pronoun is same, but how to understand if it is a reflexive pronoun or if it is a emphatic pronoun? How to understand? You know that reflexive pronouns means when the action passes over the subject. एक्शन जब एक्शन करने वाले पर ही पास होती है, उसी पर ही अफेक्ट करती है, तो उसी को कहा जाता है रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस मीन्स जब एक्शन पास में हो गई है और वो किसी हमने ही की है ये बताने के लिए जब वो यूज किया जाता है तो वो एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस. See the examples of emphatic pronouns. Have you yourself painted your room? तुमने खुद ने ही रूम पेंट की है क्या? The Prime Minister himself planted many trees. They themselves have solved their problems. She gave me the news herself. These are the examples of emphatic pronouns. The third type of pronoun is relative pronouns. Third type of pronoun is relative pronouns. The pronouns which is used to start description of a noun. Which is used to start the description of the noun. It is said as relative pronoun. Third type of pronoun is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is used to start the description of a noun. In other words, it introduces an adjective clause. वो एक adjective clause बोल के यूज किया जाता है. For example, the description comes after the noun too. The man who is in the blue coat is my uncle. The lady whose hand is plastered is my teacher. The school on the station road is my school. The school which is on the station road is my school. It means these relative pronouns, the words like who, whose, which, who, that, such words are used as relative pronouns. Means they are used for the description of the noun. Number 4, which are the examples of relative pronouns? The examples of relative pronouns are who, whose, which, these are the examples of relative pronouns. Number 4, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. See, there are some words which are used as interrogative pronouns and as well as relative pronouns. But how to identify? In interrogative pronouns, that words like which, whose, who, these are used as question words. Question पूछने के लिए या question बनाने के लिए ये वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं, तो उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. अब जब वही सेम वर्ड्स जब रिलेशन बताने के लिए या नाउन के बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन देने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं तो उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस. इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस रिप्रेजेंट द नाउन्स दैट द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट. क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए, क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए जो वर्ड्स का यूज किया जाता है, WH words like who, whose, whom, which, what, these are the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns represent the nouns that the question is about. They are used to ask a question. The main interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and what. Who broke the glass? What is your native place? Whose pen is this? Whom shall we pay the amount? In these words, in these questions, the WH words which are used for framing the question are said as interrogative pronouns. Understood? Okay. Who, whom, whose, which, what. These are the interrogative pronouns. The next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. What is meant by demonstrative pronouns? We will see. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns. These, that, their and those. These are the 4 demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to replace specific people or things that have been previously mentioned or understood from the constraint. जो लोग हमें जो चीज़ें या जो भी कोई चीज़ें हैं वो हमें पहले से ही पता है, तो उसी को बताने के लिए स्पेसिफिक पीपल, स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स जो हमें पहले से ही मेंशन किए गए हैं या जो हमें पहले से ही पता है, उन्हीं को बताने के लिए ए डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस का यूज़ किया जाता है. ईच डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस टेल्स अस वेदर इट इज रिप्लेसिंग समथिंग सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. वो सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल वो बताता है. एंड वेदर दैट थिंग इज क्लोज और फार्दर अवे. तो डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन किसके लिए यूज़ किया जाता है कि जो पीपल या थिंग्स हमें पहले से ही पता है या मेंशन किए गए हैं उसी के लिए, और उसी से ये भी पता चलता है कि वो चीज़ सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर, those is used for plural, that is used for singular, and there is used for plural. Each demonstrative pronoun tells us whether it is replacing something singular or plural and whether that thing is close or farther away. That this and that replace singular noun. This and that is used for singular noun. This represents something, someone which is close. जो चीज़ क्लोज है वो उसके लिए दिस यूज किया जाता है और सिंगुलर के लिए दैट रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग, समवन विच इज फार अवे. These and those replace plural nouns. These represents things, people which are close, and those represents which are far away. Understood? Which are the examples of demonstrative pronouns? This, that, these and those. These are the 4 demonstrative pronouns. These are 4 demonstrative pronouns. Number 6 type of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Number 6, indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns means these do not denote the specific thing, specific person. They are indefinite. These pronouns stand for some person or thing, but we do not know for exactly whom. एक कुछ पर्सन के लिए, कुछ थिंग के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली हम बता नहीं सकते. जैसे कि somebody has stolen my pen. Who is that somebody? किसी ने तो मेरा पेन चुराया है. Somebody. Do you know exactly who is that person? Don't know. Everyone was studying carefully. Everyone. Particularly, can we say who is that everyone? No. तो ऐसे जो pronouns हैं which do not tell her that exact who is that, what is that. एग्जैक्टली वो कौन है या वो कौन सी चीज़ है एग्जैक्टली हम नहीं बता सकते। इसी के लिए जो प्रोनाउंस यूज किए जाते हैं सच टाइप ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर सेड एज इनडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउंस। नाउ सी all. All the students were shouting. All means who? We can't say exactly who is that. All, any, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody, someone, कि जिससे हमें पता नहीं चलता कि एग्जैक्टली कौन सा पर्सन है, एग्जैक्टली कौन है, तो उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? इनडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउंस। दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इनडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउंस। एंड नंबर 7, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns consider numbers of a group separately, one and two group. Distributive pronouns consider members of a group. कोई एक ग्रुप है और वो ग्रुप के मेंबर्स के लिए जो प्रोनाउंस यूज किया जाता है और उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस। दैट इज व्हाई दे ऑलवेज हैव सिंगुलर नंबर एंड आर फॉलोड बाय अ सिंगुलर वर्ड। ईच गर्ल डांसेस ब्यूटीफुली means there are many girls and from the group of the girls each have performed the dance beautifully. Either of the boys wears a red tie. Neither answer is correct. Such pronouns which is used for the one person from the group, such pronoun is said as distributive pronoun. Understood how many types of pronouns are there? There are 7 types of pronouns are there. Which are those? Personal pronoun, second, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun, third, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun and distributive pronouns. Personal pronouns, they are the pronouns which are used for the person. I, we, you, they, them, my, mine. These are the personal pronouns. Second type of pronouns are reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. They are myself, yourself, himself, themselves, ourselves. They are the reflexive pronouns are emphatic pronouns. Relative pronouns who, whose, which, that. These are the relative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, those. Indefinite pronouns all, any, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody and someone. Now let us revise it. Use the correct personal pronoun for the words in the bracket to complete each of the following sentence. Have you got a computer, Mamta? Have you got? Page number 27 of the text. Next, the clock. इसके लिए पर्सनल प्रोनाउन माई क्लॉक इज ऑन द वॉल. माई क्लॉक इज ऑन द वॉल. Sudhir. He is playing. Are watching TV. My mother and I. इसके लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे हम? We are watching TV. We are watching TV. There are flowers in the garden. Dash is riding the bike. अंकुर. अंकुर के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे हम? He is riding his bike. He is riding his bike. Mary is from France. मेरी के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? शी इज फ्रॉम फ्रांस. इज राइप. द it is it is ripe. Has a brother. रीता के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? she has a brother. The goat, it is sleeping. Understood? Now see page number 28. Which form of the personal pronouns do you find in the given sentence? Subject or object? मैंने तुम्हें बताया है कि पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस कभी सब्जेक्ट बोल के यूज किए जाते हैं तो वो कभी ऑब्जेक्ट बोल के यूज किए जाते हैं. उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? सब्जेक्टिव केस, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. और जब वो पोजीशन बताने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं तो उसी को पॉजिटिव केस कहा जाता है. एंड ऑल ऑफ अस नो व्हाट इज मीन बाय सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट मतलब एक्शन करने वाला जो है उसी का वो सेंटेंस में उसी को सब्जेक्ट कहा जाता है. जो जब एक्शन जिस चीज़ पर पास होती है उसी को ऑब्जेक्ट कहा जाता है. और पोजेशन मतलब ओनरशिप बताने के लिए जब यूज किया जाता है तो उसी को पॉजिटिव केस कहा जाता है. डू यू ट्रबल मी. विच इज द pronoun in this sentence? Me. Do you trouble me? Which pronoun is this? Subjective, objective or possessive? Subjective. Can the police help us? Us subjective. क्योंकि हेल्प करने की एक्शन हम पर हो रही है इसलिए us क्या है? Subjective pronoun है. Which are you from? You. It is objective. This book is for him. This book is for him. This is which case it is? Subjective, objective. Which case it is? possessive case है या कौन सी case है ये? It is this book is for him. Possessive case. He is not at home. He subject. This car is for them. Object. It is blue. Subject. All the neighbors love you. Object. Fill in the blanks with correct reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns कौन कौन से याद है ना? Myself, himself, themselves, ourselves. These are the reflexive. Vibhu and Pulkit decorated the hall themselves. I wrote this poem myself. The lion can defend itself. My mother often talks to herself. He did the homework himself. Fill in the blanks with relative pronouns who, which or whose. Where necessary, put an X if the relative pronoun can be left out. By this way we have to complete it. He likes clothes which are soft. Can I talk to the man who is sitting on the bench? Perhaps you are the girl. Perhaps you are the girl. No. Somebody stole the car which we purchased last month. The book which you gave me is very interesting. Number 6. Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton, who was president of the USA, has only one daughter. This is the car which had an accident. Yesterday I saw a man who was really old. Understood? These are the which pronouns? Relative pronouns. Number E. Fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns कौन से हैं? Who, whose, which, what. These are the interrogative question. पूछने के लिए जो pronouns यूज किए जाते हैं उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? Interrogative pronouns. See here. Broke the window glass. Who broke the window glass? Who broke the window glass? What do you want to beat? Of what are you speaking? What do you want to buy? like this way. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस कौन कौन से हैं? दिस, दैट, these, those. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ सुटेबल इंडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउंस. इंडेफिनाइट प्रोनाउंस कौन कौन से हैं? ऑल, एनीवन, एवरीवन, एनी, एनीथिंग, एवरीबडी, एवरीथिंग, like this. Okay. All of you understood how many types of pronouns are there? 7 types of pronouns are there, and they are used according to the singular noun or plural noun or the form of the noun they are used as. Okay, all of you revise what questions are given in the revision on the page number 27, 28 and 29, and I will give you notes of this topic.